Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your MAC address on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. In order to find your MAC address, you need to search for CMD. So go to the search bar and search for CMD, but I'm going to do that on the second screen since I don't have my keyboard attached. And open it. Then, once it is opened, type in ipconfig/all, but with a space, like that. Click on enter and you'll see all the physical addresses. So you can see that I have for the wireless LAN adapter for local area connection. So this is not the Wi-Fi. I have this physical address right here. Then for local area connection 10, I have this one. For Wi-Fi, which is I think the most important, I have this physical address right here. And for Bluetooth network connection, I have this one. And that's how you check your physical address. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.